For this video demo, I'm going to show you how to write the triads of a minor scale. And so we'll start by using the key of A minor, and I'll start by just writing the notes of the minor scale. You can just do that quickly. We'll label the key as being A minor. Now I chose A minor because there are no sharps and flats in that key. However, when we're writing chords in a minor key, we have to remember to use the harmonic form of that key or of the scale. So that means we're going to add a G sharp, because harmonic form means you add a sharp on the 7th note of the scale. And I'm just going to write my G sharp as a little reminder right here. So now I will go ahead and build my triads on each note of the scale. And that is what is meant by writing the triads of a major scale. Of a minor scale. I need to next go through and add any other G sharp that I find. Here's one. There's another. We've already got that one. So we should be good. Now, next I need to label each of these triads according to their function, and that is the number or the sequence in which they fall on the scale, and also their quality, so whether that's major or minor or diminished or augmented. So let's start with the first chord. Now you can go through and actually create these chords on your keyboard or play them on the piano, and then you can count your half and whole steps and find out, using your formulas, what each chord is. But I'm going to just quickly go through. The 1 chord is minor. The 2 chord is diminished. So when it's a minor chord, we use a lowercase Roman numeral. The 2 chord is diminished. The 3 chord, as you can see, is augmented because of the G sharp. So C, E, G sharp is augmented. So we use capital plus, and also the plus sign to indicate augmented. The 4 chord is minor, lowercase. The 5 chord is major. The 6 chord is major. The 7 chord is diminished. And then we're back to 1 being minor. So you can either memorize this pattern, thinking about the minors being the 1 and the 4, the diminished being the 2 and the 7, the majors being the 5 and the 6, and then there's one augmented triad. But it's also helpful if you know how to use your formulas for triads and find them on the keyboard. And then you can label them knowing those formulas.